What is a fuse? First patented in 1890 by Thomas Edison, a fuse is an electrical safety device that protects a circuit from overcurrent, excessive temperature, short circuit, and ground fault. Fuses are a sacrificial device designed to be used once before they must be rewired or replaced, depending on their type. Common types of fuses are cartridge, blade, plug, surface mount, time delay, HRC, and rewirable. The body of a fuse is typically made from ceramic, glass, plastic, or fiberglass. The fuse material is made up of metal or a wire strip, which will melt when too much current flows through or too high of a temperature is generated through resistance. Fuses are used in a variety of different applications. These include motors, transformers, air conditioners, general electrical appliances, home distribution boards, and automobiles. There are several advantages to using fuses, such as low cost, no maintenance, and simple operation. If you like this information on fuses, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!